what's up? It's Fat Boy Dan here. Nothing but redneck fishing all year. Fishing videos with all the beer and fun only at FatBoyDanFishing.com. The place for one-of-a-kind type fishing with Fat Boy Dan from Indiana. You won't miss a thing. The greatest catches and product reviews. Catch them all with Fat Boy Dan fishing videos. Live to fish, fish to live. It's Fat Boy Dan Fishing. FatBoyDanFishing.com.
Oh, hey, what's up? Fat Boy Dan here. You know the Derby's over now. Check it out. I'm right here with the winners. You know I came in a little bit behind earlier. Belt broken and everything, but I'm right here with the first, second, and third place winners. A heck of a payout we had. We had Country Fried Home Videos there. The local news crews were there. I want to give y'all a thank you too. Country Fried Home Videos too. Action 210 News was here earlier, right?
Correct.
Oh man, we tore it up, man. I'm telling you, LawnMower's got tore up completely. First place winner right here. What'd you do, man? You just took it out.
Yeah, I did pretty good. Got me first place. Got first place on the creative deal. Got me $200 coming in first place.
Whoa, $200.
It's hard to mess with them
Not a bad day
doolies.
for
Look at them doolies,
having
man.
fun.
But what's the best thing of it? What's your tractor called? Hog leg. Big boy right here in the back. I'm gonna tell you, he's tearing it up, man. $200 first place. Second place winner back here. Yeah.
Got my whole $100. Got me a nice little trophy to add to my this year's. This is my first this year's trophy for the Derby, so I'm happy today. Hey, Anna still can derby my tractor again because I don't think she's hurt that much. I just lost the belt, but that's all good.
That's the same thing I done. I did the same thing. I broke a belt. It was the only thing that took me out. I made it to the finals. About the sixth one to go out, belt snapped. I couldn't handle it. That's what caused the weaknesses right there, man. We both had it. We're gonna come step the next game up even harder. I mean,
We'll do better, huh?
better.
Oh man, it's just gonna keep getting bigger.
It is. I mean, third place winner down here. I mean, Justin, what's up, dude? The trophy's looking good, dude.
I did a little bit better, you know. I got home, you know. I got the 50 piece. That's what, you know. I don't know. I was having a hard time. I got hit real hard in the beginning, knocked my wheel loose, and jammed it all up in there real good. And ever since then, I was just hurting, knocked my wheel plumb off.
But you still hung in there, man, because that's what Redneck's all about. You break
there.
it till
Hey,
you
we stayed in
can't
there,
take
didn't
it.
That's right. That's
Right there.
Stayed in there.
I'm telling
Hey,
you, man.
what did you think of that powder puff? I never thought that would turn out so great.
That powder puff turned out so great. I mean, it was
It
excellent.
was
Y'all seen it, right?
amazing. Those girls were not slacking
proud.
off.
11 and 13-year-old girls on them pink riders, man, they was banging and tearing some stuff
I'm
up.
just glad they didn't ride with us, because I think they would have took one of y'all trophies.
Ah, you're lucky, because they might have got the hardest hit on you.
Yeah, you're probably right on that. Hey, they was out there slamming and bamming, but
Hey,
man.
that old boy from Brazil, boy, he had something banging.
Yeah, he did.
Took the hardest hitter. He was.
Yeah, he took the hardest hitter. Boy from Brazil, man, he took the hardest hitter.
Number 8.
Yeah, number 8, he was up there banging everybody. He had a little bit of
wasn't
speed.
playing.
Yeah, it was good. He had some stuff, I'm telling you. Put a little ding in my stuff, but hey, my skill's still running. He put a ding on everybody.
We had some rock climbing going on too. A lot of
Hey, rock
boys
climbing.
rose
That's
up
that
on
video.
this one.
And riding the bull, you know Fat Boy Dan was out. I was back to riding the bull, pitting the weight on the back. I was there clowning, but y'all gonna see it in the film, man. Check it out. Stay tuned right here. FatBoyDanFishing.com. The winners. We out. We come back for next week even harder.
Oh, yeah. Y'all have a good one.
We out.
Right over here and get them.
We got News 10 crew out here too. There's CFT trying to get the best shot. We got the cold beer too. Look, he broke the steering wheel! He broke the steering wheel! here we are in heat. First heat's over. We got 3 of them. Got Stevie, another gentleman over here, and looks like my buddy James back over there. I'm in heat number 2, so we're gonna come up. I'm gonna show you some action too. Hopefully I don't get knocked out. balls in there already before I came. Belt snap them out, but here you go. Here's the last. Over there, boy! Focus! Focus! FatBoyDamnFishing.com right there, look at that. Look at mine. I broke a belt, that's all I broke. Can you believe that? That's the only reason why I'm out is because I broke a belt. Nothing's cut, I'll still be running. Belt! That's only just started, that's only just started. It's got a starter belt broke, and the clutch. Did it. All right, here we are, final three, right? Check it out. He's hard shifting. One wheel. When he first came, I first seen it the other day. Woo! I called his weakness the other day. I said the only weakness he has is the clutch. They're breaking. Hey, Justin. Yeah, you did that. The general made it. Now we're down to the last two. Here we go. We got a home leg and my buddy Steve. Justin, look at gas over here. There's a CMT right behind me. Videotape it. Same spot.
this is Justin Stanford's fifth place trophy. I'm sorry. This little plaque here. Let's all give him a round of applause.
Fifth place, yeah!
This year's our fourth place feature Derby driver, 2008 Redneck Derby. Woohoo! Congratulations again, Bob.
Bob!
Hold him up.
Hold him up.
All right, third place.
Third place.
That's the good one in the general league. Congratulations there, Justin.
Justin, got smile, say cheese.
Okay, Justin. Come on.
That's second place winner on.
Well, who's supposed to give that to you? Me?
That'd be me. I earned this one, I think. Appreciate y'all. Have a good time. First place right here in this featured derby today.
There he is.
Hey, Redneck. There he is. Boy, he gave some balls to the walls from the last get-go, didn't he, guys? That was a good one there, guys. I love it.
Hog leg didn't even break a leg.
The man with a plan. And I also want to thank Big Daniel Norris here.
Fat Boy Dan.
Big Fishing, Fat Boy Dan from the YouTube. He sponsored us there. He's the one who brought CMT here today. Also brought the news out here to get this a little more publicized. I'd like to thank you there, Dan, once again, by God. I appreciate everything you're doing for me.
Like I told you, man, we're going to take this to the...
Ain't nothing but getting bigger, by God. We'll be playing down at the fairgrounds, taking over some big car tracks here. What do you think of that? Maybe one night this year.
We're going to do it.
Hey, you, what's up? It's Fat Boy Dan here. Nothing but redneck fishing all year. Fishing videos with all the beer and fun only at FatBoyDanFishing.com. The place for one-of-a-kind type fishing with Fat Boy Dan from Indiana. You won't miss a thing. The greatest catches and product reviews. Catch them all with Fat Boy Dan fishing videos. Live to fish, fish to live. It's Fat Boy Dan Fishing. FatBoyDanFishing.com.